Alright, TrueJack.com. Here is a shower. This will be a shower stall. Okay, and we have a drain that's completely blocked up. I've already removed the cover. I was playing around with it. I was trying to use something like an electrical snake. That's about the only thing I could find lying around the house. That is the wrong way to do it, okay? Especially if somebody left that electrical snake sitting out in the rain. It's all rusted and won't actually uncoil any farther than 3 feet. Anyway, what I have here is a kitchen sink that drops down into the floor, comes over to the shower. Alright, and the shower is going to probably pipe right over to the toilet. Alright, which has a sink that's dropping down into the toilet. And if you know anything about plumbing, you'll know that these are all smaller fixtures. Okay, they're all going to get piped into a bigger fixture or into a 4-inch pipe, which is, well, 4-inch or 3-inch. Back in the day when they built this, it was 4-inch. Now they're doing a lot of newer construction with 3-inch. Yeah, so all these things are being piped. So really, I need to snake this drain from there about 5 or 6 feet till it hits that main. Alright, and depending on which way the main's going, it's either going that way or maybe it's coming out this way. Maybe it will be a shorter distance. The chances are that this here has like a multi-hub kind of deal where it has, you know, like a 4-inch inlet, and then on one side it has like an 1.5 or 2-inch, and an 1.5 or 2-inch going to the shower. So I need to make it that distance with some kind of snake. What we're going to do in part 2, I actually don't have what I need to fix this right now, but you can see it is draining, but it's going to take some time. And you see there's a lot of sand in here. That's because they live at the beach. And so amongst the things that are in the pipe would be sand, hair, and skin that kind of caked up over a long period of time. I'm hoping that this is not galvanized pipe from here to there. That could cause major problems. I'm hoping that it's at least plastic or whatever. It is a plastic fitting here in the shower, but who knows what they adapted to in the floor as an existing thing. So in part 2 of this video, we're going to show how this gets fixed. We're going to try, there are some products. If you go to a plumbing supply house, not Home Depot, not Lowe's, but a plumbing supply house, you can get a product called Glug. Glug, or a product called Scorch or something like that. It'll be a powdered sulfuric acid. That's the important part. Powdered sulfuric acid. You do not want liquid, alright? And you got to be very careful. If I were to pour, in standing water, you can't do that. So I got to let this completely drain out. And then I'd pour this powdered stuff into the drain. I'd add about a cup worth of water and then get back. Because what it does, it's sulfuric acid. It will, when it dilutes, it turns into liquid fire. And you got to make sure that, it'll spitter or spatter. You get like a trash can like that or something. I'm cleaning that right now. That's why it's in the shower. But you would flip that upside down on top of the hole after you put the powder and a little water in there, just to keep the splitter and splatter from pouring everywhere. If you're using this product and you have something besides plastic, a different kind of strainer, like maybe you have like nice brass or something like that, you always put Vaseline on these fixtures, and that will actually stop the acid from eating corrosion. Same thing, if you're using liquid plumber or something like that in a nice sink, remember, you do not, just don't dump the chemical in standing water. And if you do, you make sure you put Vaseline on the fixture itself, on anything that's a surface that you're going to see, because even liquid plumber will corrode and cause problems with your nice shiny things. So part 2, we're going to show you some solutions here. I'm going to show you some solutions here, and we'll go from that. TrueJack.com.